I want to start today with a powerful story that perfectly aligns with our theme of attracting abundance and prosperity. Recently, while jogging, I recalled a diamond ring I had lost. It was a reminder of how we all have the power to create our reality. Just a few days ago, I faced an unexpected bill and had no idea where the money would come from. Then, a light-hearted thought struck me while driving, prompting me to call a customer. To my astonishment, the customer not only agreed to a purchase, but offered exactly the amount I needed. It was a magical moment that reaffirmed the power of positive thinking and intention. Your inner being knows what you're asking for and guides you to it when you're in a light-hearted mode. Don't create unnecessary resistance. The cool part wasn't the dollar amount, but the experience and feeling at that moment. I called my wife and said, "You're not going to believe this. Really good creating." There's a feeling of surprise and delight in it. We look forward to both of you feeling like, of course, this is just how it works. It's fun to see the universe work things out. If you think, why didn't I ask for more money? There's resistance in that statement, but it's also a launching of desire, setting higher horizons. Your inner being knows your path of least resistance and guides you there. The universe responds to your playful approach quickly. Game number 1. A game from the Ask and It Is Given book can help. Start with $100 in your pocket, but don't spend it. Mentally spend it on as many things as you can all day. Imagine having that prosperity in your fingertips. Playing this game shifts your vibration, leading to greater abundance. Game number 2. Continue the playful approach. Make a list of all your outgoing expenses, from largest to smallest. Commit to meeting your obligations and, whenever possible, pay twice the amount on the smallest expenses. This approach will change your vibration and your financial situation. Prosperity isn't just about money coming in, but also about how you feel about it. When it feels like a game, the universe responds positively. Be mindful of dormant negative vibrations. Your vibration is where you last left it on any subject. Dormant vibrations can be reactivated by people or events, but if you move them to a better feeling place when they arise, they will stay there. Each time a negative emotion is activated, shift your thoughts until it feels better. This process makes it easier to align with positive outcomes. All kinds of wonderful things are ready to pop for you. Acknowledge the contrast in your life and align with your desires. Each manifestation brings new contrasting experiences, leading to more desires and more alignment. When you feel confident about one thing, it affects all aspects of your life. Keep moving your thoughts to better feelings, and soon the universe will respond with positive manifestations. The better it gets, the better it gets.